we're making baked potatoes. Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making baked potatoes. Oh, I missed. Yay.
Yay.
I was excited. Like they say, Grandpa Pig. More potatoes, never enough. There's never too many potatoes. That's what Grandpa Pig said.
Okay. Right now, you can cut the potato. Cut
knife?
every.
This knife, this
Yeah.
knife, this knife.
Terserah. It's up to you.
This one? Okay.
Cut
Small or big?
four.
This and then this. I don't
Atau
know.
sebisamu aja, nanti mami yang lanjutin.
Okay. I don't know if I can. I never cut a potato before. Have I? I think I have, but I forgot. Dang. That's hard. Oh, I did it!
Okay.
Woo! I'm so good at this. Sorry. Oh, I did it! Booyah! That's how to do it, kids. Well, don't do it, okay? Don't do it. You need parent supervision. But I'm 11. I can do whatever I want. I can sit in the front seat. When you're 11, you can sit in the front seat. Okay, I did one. Now, like 9 more, 10,000 more to go. Hey, Ma, I was just telling. I know. I was just telling them that I can sit in the front seat now because I'm 11. That's what I told them. And I told them to have parent supervision if they're cutting potatoes. Because they do need parent supervision. But I am 11, so I can do whatever I want. Well, not really.
Yeah.
I can't sneak out of the house. No one would.
Okay, wash.
Oh no! Potato! Tomato! Potato-tomato problem right now. Ini nggak di wash yang ini. Udah itu. Ya, itu soalnya.
It's clean. Ya udah di wash lagi. Tapi nanti basah.
Actually, I haven't cut that one. I forgot to. That's fine. You can cut it.
Nanti you can cut
Ta-da!
that. Okay. This small.
Okay. I can do that. I've never been so good at chopping potatoes ever in my life right now. I always suck at it. I'm always so bad at cutting potatoes. Oh, I get it. Hunting. A little bit.
Okay, it's okay.
I'm so good right now. Be careful, kids. I can't. Oh yeah. Can you cut this one? This one's a hard one. I like potato.
Okay, it's okay. Leave it for me.
Okay. Cut this. One potato, 2 potato, 3 potato more. 1 potato. Ya. Ini nggak busuk loh.
Enggak lah.
Kentang tuh pernah busuk loh.
Ya ada yang busuk, tapi kan. Just like this.
Oh, ini kentangnya udah kecil. Kentangnya ini kecil. Masih dikecil. Hah?
Ya, dekat.
How are we gonna make this? Ini belum.
Ini gimana ini?
Ini belum dikecil. You need parent supervision, kids. I'm 11. I can do it. Don't worry.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yeah, I'll do this one.
Don't do that.
Oh,
this is enough.
And by the way, check out my new video. I just uploaded a few minutes ago.
Okay, I think it's enough for now. I mean.
Okay.
Okay, here put the mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Now it's going to bake and the mayonnaise will have they are going to be dry.
I don't like
Yeah, you
mayonnaise.
want to try.
Chicken.
Dibilangin kok. Enak nanti.
I'm not
Mana ini diaduk dulu. Tuh, dibilangin enak kok.
I don't like it.
Ini pedes ini, agak pedes ini. Try.
It's the worst sauce ever. I'd rather have sweet and sour sauce.
Nih, enggak. Ini pedes. Jihan,
Mayonnaise is mayonnaise and ketchup is ketchup, okay?
tuh. Itu tolong ambilkan apa namanya buat ngaduk.
Yeah. Where is it?
Itu apa namanya? Spatula.
What is it?
Aduk.
All of them? With the potatoes?
And then we need
One potato, two potato, three potato, more. One potato.
garlic.
Yes, add a lot, please. Please add a lot. Get rid of the taste of the mayonnaise. I hate mayonnaise. It's the worst thing ever.
Is it garlic? Oh yeah. Hey. Oh.
The thunder agrees that mayonnaise is bad. Add a lot of garlic so I don't have to taste the silky thing.
Our paprika.
Apa tuh masih?
With the paprika.
Why is it brown? It looks like... No, I'm not eating this.
It's going to be made it.
I'm not eating this. This is just my brother. My sister hates mayonnaise as well.
Loh, enggak, kamu jangan bilang-bilang sama Mbak Pipi, enak beneran.
I will
Tapi dia
tell her.
crispy, kering gitu loh itunya.
I
kalau
will
bake.
tell my sister. I will. I'm not scared to tell my sister.
Oh, pasti Jihan.
I hate mayonnaise.
Iya, tapi ini nanti hilang mayonesnya kalau di bake tuh, Dek.
There's no way it's gonna magically disappear.
Iya, dia kan keren tuh jadi kriuk-kriuk gitu.
There's no way it's gonna magically disappear. Ugh.
Okay, put
Looks
this inside the bake.
Looks like rotten cheese. Don't smell it, Dion. Get away.
Here.
Get it away from me. Open it. Lock it in.
Careful.
Please lock it in. Don't ever open that ever again. Nope. Nope, I'm not opening that.
Kamu jangan kayak gitu berlebihan teman-teman.
Okay, I'll try. Yeah. And if I don't like it, I'm gonna spit it out. What about those potatoes?
Nanti buat lainnya lagi. Kalau itu enak bikin lagi, kalau enggak ya bikin something else. Ya. Ih. Sebentar. Ada homework kah? Oh.
My teacher gave to me 12 months of anxiety.
Kamu selalu pakai baju itu kalau pas lagi di itu.
It's my rollerblading outfit. It's my recording rollerblade outfit. Oh, really? I think my guys now.
Oh, it's raining.
Rain, rain, come to play. She comes, but don't want you away. I love the smell of rain. Rain, rain, please stay. This is Sheila. My grandmother made it. This is Sheila. My grandmother made it, and I shaped it.
Kamu belum berdiri tuh kelihatan. Yap.
And I shaped it.
Mhm.
Ta-da.
It's very white.
So my grandmother made the batter, and I shaped it into the round shape.
Nggak bisa kalau di situ. Sambil duduk.
Enggak dulu. Dan ya, aku ambil airnya ke mulutku. And then
Wah, hujan ya, oh deras banget loh. Kamu nggak main hujan?
I need a lifting and a skirt.
Ya, oke. Itu aja pakai itu. Iya. Dan sama jilbabnya sekalian biar nggak dingin. Enggak lah, nggak kelihatan kok.
I've been complaining it's so hot that it melts. It's just rain. I've been complaining it's just Allah heard me.
Alhamdulillah. Allahumma thayyiban
Hey.
nafi'an. Hmm? Eh. Bakar. Bakar.
Yes, bucket. We need a bucket. Bucket, bucket. Come on, bucket. Where are you, bucket? Bucket. Where are you, bucket? Bucket. My jilbab is saving me from the rain. My face has more water than Dia udah sholat belum ya?
Oke. Loh, Mas Faiz tuh kayak gitu tiap hari. Beneran. Where are you? Here you are.
I have lots of food because I stepped on it.
Ya, nggak kotor, maksudnya kotor tuh nggak bisa buat bilas. Kalau buat main-main it's okay. Oh gini aja, ayo gini, adek jalannya pakai ini terus nanti ke kamar mandinya kakak, nanti itunya tak bawain. Sini sek sek sek, teket teket tek tek. She doing like that. Chew 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 chew. Almost there. Okay. Wait. I going to take the. Taruh situ di tempatnya cucian.
Get the bucket.
Wait,
It's my bucket.
it's your brother.
And not my brother's bucket now. Mine. All of my siblings' stuff is mine. Perfect.
Shh, don't do that. No, it's very dark here. No.
Wait. Mommy, why are you recording me? Okay.
Here, take this.
Giant. There's still some water left.
Oh.
There's more water in it. Whatever.
It's okay, nggak apa yang penting kamu nanti bilas pakai itu. Okay then. Bye. You still going?
Bye. Bye. I'm gonna live my life.
Panas ya?
Yes.
Ya iyalah, agak ke sini, agak dikit-dikit.
There we go. It's a sauna. Goodbye. Go out. I'm scared.
Bye. Okay.
Where's Leopard?
This is
We're having a burger with no top bun. Well, for me, I don't. The top bun is too big. It's like this big. And the bottom bun is like this big. I'm fine. We have eggs on our burgers. Oh, the eggs are falling off. We have a burger and this mayo potato. I kind of like it. I finished one potato. One only. Mom got me 6 potatoes. Now I have 5 potatoes. I ate 1 potato. I can't. It tastes like a normal potato with spice.
ya enak.
You didn't even add salt to it, so it has no flavor.
Oh, kurang salt ya?
It doesn't even taste salty.
Iya, lupa.
It tastes only spicy and potatoey. That's what I taste.
Lupa aku nggak dikasih salt.
Now I add a bit of salt in mine.
Iya, shit, ambil salt.
I'm gonna eat my burger. What's the burger? Breadnya tuh kayak sweet ini loh.
Hmm?
The bread is sweet and the meat
Oh
is
iya kan?
salty.
Kok ini teh? Oh,
My mom
meatnya
said,
too salty.
Hmm?
Meatnya too salty.
Enggak, breadnya yang sweet.
Oh. Oh iya. Oke.
Potato. Like Grandpa Pig says, and you will never have too many potatoes. Yay, salt. I love salt. Salt. Today's lunch is not bad, but not good.
I know you're going to say that. But alhamdulillah is still have lunch.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. I just don't like the bread. That's the thing. Only thing. The only thing, okay? I like the rest of the food. I don't like the sweet bread.
Oh gitu kan tadi pakai itu aja.
Can I get rid of the bread? Can I just eat the meat and the eggs? I don't really like sweet bread. I like it on like not burgers, definitely. Definitely. Now I'm gonna have a patty and potatoes and eggs, but patty and potatoes. Add a little bit of salt. I'm adding more salt, okay, Mom? I think that's too much. Like I need salt on every single potato. I need water.
Yes, sit lang din.
Spicy.
Terus spice.
Yes, Papa, you don't need to package it. Why? You don't need to
Iya,
package
soalnya
it.
kakak nanti gak langsung makan. Oh, langsung lah nih.
Ini apa?
Nah, potato.
Sama apa?
Potato sama itu enak.
Keju.
Kamu kasih tambah keju gak? Pak?
Mami.
Ini dalamnya berapa nih?
Telurnya satu.
Wah, kok satu?
Sudah.
Jangan.
Ngalah.
Tuh, itu banyak juga.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Tebak dalamnya. Tebak itunya.
Dua.
Apa?
Itu kentang.
Ambil.
Enak-enak tapi kalau kurang asin kasih garam.
Yang kurang asin tadi aku. Tak kasih tangan kakak nggak apa-apa.
Apa sih, Dok?
Mayones.
Butter. Ya, nggak apa-apa sih.
Kiranya pakai apa kakak?
Coba belum tak kasih keju, tak mau dikasih sampai keju nggak apa-apa.
Mau biar asin. Mau.
Ambil makan.
Eat my patty. Eat my patty.
Aduh, tuh, dengkulku sakit.
Kenapa?
Enggak, gampang ketekuk.
Kamu tuh. Apa, Dek?
Kentut.
Masya Allah.
Ya kakak nggak marah.
Enggak.
Enggak, Jian, enggak marah.
Marah susunya.
Enggak kok.
Ini lagi video loh kak. Jadi kok kakak manain kena video. Ya. Yay, cheese! I love cheese. I love cheese. It's the best. Cheese is the best. I love cheese. It's the best. I'm reading my comic while eating my lunch.
Because today is no gadget day.
Today is no rice day.
Oh, rice day.
Just like yesterday. Well, until yesterday I